टेक्स्ट बुक में नहीं पढ़, बंद करो, टेक्स्ट बुक बंद करो। आप जनरली घर पे बैठते हो, बाहर जाते हो, तभी फ्रेंड्स के साथ कौन सा गेम्स खेलते हो नॉर्मली?
हाइड एंड सीक, पकड़ा पकड़ाई,
पकड़म पकड़ाई, देन
blindfold and football.
Football. Okay. So how many players play football? आराध्या, कितने प्लेयर्स खेलते हैं फुटबॉल?
2 football.
2 teams are there in the football game, no?
2 teams like 4 teams. 4 teams.
4 teams. Okay. Okay, चलो। आराध्या plays पकड़म पकड़ाई, she plays blindfold, she plays football. Okay, चलो। सनिका अनम्यूट करो।
Teacher, I am a doubt.
Yes. Who has doubt?
टीचर, जब आप जन गण मन बोल रही थी ना, तब है ना आपका आवाज थोड़ा सा ब्रेक हो रहा था।
जन गण मन, मैंने तो गेम्स डू यू लाइक टू प्ले?
हाइड एंड सीक, कैरम, चेस एंड लंगड़ी.
Langri, chess, carom. For games like chess and carom, how many players we need?
2 players or 4.
2 players or 4 players. Okay, good. For carom we need 4 players, and for chess we need 2 players. Okay, good. Yes, Vaishnavi, unmute karo.
Yes, teacher.
Yes, Vaishnavi, which games do you play? कौन से गेम्स खेलते हो आप? कौन से गेम्स आपको अच्छे लगते हैं खेलने के लिए?
फुटबॉल, क्रिकेट, कैरम.
Football, cricket, and carom. Okay, Vaishnavi, do you know some olden days games which your grandparents or parents must have played? ऐसे कोई games आपको पता है जो आपके पेरेंट्स भी वो छोटे थे तब भी खेला करते थे?
लंगड़ी,
ओके,
लपा छुपी and लगोरी.
Lagori, your parents used to play Lagori? How Lagori is played? Can you tell me how Lagori is played? Okay. Chalo. Today in this chapter we are going to learn about the games which were played in olden days by our parents, by our grandparents. जब वो छोटे थे, when they were small, which games they used to play? Have you ever asked your parents, grandparents, when they were small, which games they used to play? उनके जमाने में कौन से ऐसे games हुआ करते थे that they used to play, they used to enjoy? Let me see that games now. Okay. Chalo. Which are the games that were played by our parents or grandparents when they were small, when they were kids like us? What is the first game? Which is the first one, traditional olden game which our grandparents and parents used to play is Lagori. What is the name of the game? Lagori. 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 How this game is played? ये game कैसे खेला जाता है? See, in this picture you can see there is one stonescape. There are some stonescape one above the other. तो इसमें पहले क्या करना रहता है? What is first done in this game to play? first we have to collect all the stones of the same size. जो पत्थर जो stone same size के हो ना उनको पहले first we have to collect them and we have to keep them one above the other. One above the other मतलब एक के ऊपर हमें वो stones रखना है जो same size के होते हैं. ठीक है. After keeping that stone, after making that stones pyramid, what we have to do? See, in Lagori there are two teams. Teams play this game. Two teams play this game. Okay. So first team player from the first team, what he will do after collecting the stones and making a stone pyramid, one player from first team will come and throw a ball on the stones. एक प्लेयर कोई भी एक टीम से एक प्लेयर आएगा, वो क्या करेगा, वो बॉल थ्रो करेगा, जो स्टोन पिरामिड हमने बनाया ना उस पे बॉल थ्रो करेगा. ही विल थ्रो अ बॉल इन इट. देन नाउ व्हाट विल हैपन, द स्टोन विल गेट इधर इधर स्टोन्स विल बिखर जाएंगे, राइट. जो स्टोन पिरामिड हमने बनाया, आफ्टर थ्रोइंग द बॉल व्हाट विल हैपन, स्टोन्स विल गेट स्कैटर्ड. दे विल fall here and there. Okay, now what the other team has to do, दूसरे टीम मेंबर्स, दूसरे टीम के प्लेयर्स को क्या करना है, they have to start collecting the stones which are fallen here and there. जो stones यहाँ वहाँ गिर गए हैं आफ्टर थ्रोइंग द बॉल, द stones यहाँ वहाँ गिर गए हैं, दूसरे टीम के प्लेयर्स को क्या करना है, वो stones को they have to start collecting the stones. Now द फर्स्ट टीम जो टीम ने वो बॉल फेंका था स्टोन्स के ऊपर, वो टीम क्या करेगी, वो टीम बॉल प्लेयर्स के ऊपर मारेगी. दे विल थ्रो बॉल टू द प्लेयर्स. ओके, नाउ अभी जो दूसरे टीम में से जो प्लेयर्स को बॉल लगी, दैट प्लेयर इज आउट. Okay, when the player throws the ball on the other team players, if some players got hit from the ball, अगर किसी player को वो ball लग गई, then that player is out. This is the rule of the game, Lagori. Okay, अगर किसी को ball लग जाती है stone collect करते time, then that player is out. So this is how we play Lagori. Okay, first we have to collect the stones which are same size. ऐसे नहीं कुछ एक छोटा stone ले लिया, एक बड़ा stone ले लिया, नहीं. Stones should be of same size. हर stone का size same होना चाहिए. हर एक stone का size should be same. Okay, then we have to make a pyramid. How we will make a pyramid of stones? See, एक के ऊपर एक नीचे एक स्टोन रखा, उसके ऊपर एक दूसरा स्टोन, उसके ऊपर दूसरा स्टोन. Okay, like this we have to make a pyramid of stones. You have to keep the stones one above the other. एक के ऊपर हमें stones रखना है. After that what will happen, one player from first team will come forward and throw stones on throw ball on that stone, like this boy is doing in this picture. See, this boy is going to throw a ball on the stones. Okay, like this we have to throw a ball on the stones. After throwing the ball, the stones will get scattered. The pyramid will fall. जो stones का हमने जो pyramid बनाया वो गिर जाएगा और पत्थर यहाँ वहाँ गिर जाएंगे. Then the players of the other team, the second team players, what they will do, they will start collecting the stones and again they will make a pyramid. सेकेंड टीम के प्लेयर्स को क्या करना है, उनको स्टोन्स कलेक्ट करना है, फिर से वो पिरामिड बनाने की कोशिश करनी है. अभी ये स्टोन्स कलेक्ट करते टाइम trying to collect the stones and while making the pyramid of stones, the first team players will try to throw a ball to the players. वो क्या करेंगे, बॉल हिट करने की कोशिश करेंगे दूसरे टीम के प्लेयर्स को. जो टीम कलेक्ट कर रही है ना स्टोन्स, उनके ऊपर बॉल थ्रो करेंगे. अभी जो टीम कलेक्ट कर रही है स्टोन्स, उनको उनमें से किसी प्लेयर को स्टोन कलेक्ट करते टाइम अगर बॉल लग गई, if the players get hit by the ball, then they are out. This is the rule of Lagori. Everybody understand we have to play लगोरी. लगोरी कैसे खेलते हैं समझा सबको? Yes. जूही अनम्यूट करो.
Yes.
Yes, Juhi. Did you understood how we have to play लगोरी?
Yes.
कैसे खेलते हैं बता?
First फर्स्ट एक साइड के स्टोन लेते हैं और ना उसको ऊपर ऊपर रखते हैं. उसके बाद फर्स्ट टीम उसको मारती है. और
कैसे मारेगी?
बॉल से.
Yes, and try to answer in English. First team player will throw a ball on the stones. Then
फर्स्ट टीम बॉल.
yes, then what will happen if we throw the ball on the stones?
First team can
What will other team do? Second team, what will the second team do? They will try to collect the stones. What they will do? They will try to collect the stones and make again the keep the stones one above the other. Right? And while collecting the stones collect करते time और वो pyramid बनाते time अगर first team will try to hit the ball on the second team. And while collecting the stones, if any player gets hit with the ball, that player is out. Okay, Juhi? Okay. So this is how we play Lagori. What are the other traditional games which were played by our grandparents and parents? Gilli Danda. गिल्ली डंडा. गिल्ली डंडा is also played like cricket. जैसे आप क्रिकेट खेलते हो ना, with the bat you hit the ball. Like that we have to hit the danda. What is the danda? Which is the danda here? This is a gilli and this is the danda. Okay. ये जो देख रहे हो ना फोटो में, this one, this is the गिल्ली. इसको क्या बोलते हैं? गिल्ली. GILLI, गिल्ली. And this is the danda. Okay. So like you play cricket, आपको बैट से बॉल को हिट करना रहता है, वैसे ही आपको गिल्ली को डंडे से हिट करना रहता है. जैसे this boy is doing here. This boy is going to hit the gilli with the danda. Okay. Like this you have to play the गिल्ली डंडा game. जैसे क्रिकेट खेलते हैं वैसे ही we have to play the गिल्ली डंडा game. Okay. So this was the other game which were played by our grandparents and parents when they were small. Now hopscotch. How do we play hopscotch? What is the spelling of hopscotch? HOPSCOTCH. Hopscotch. इसमें कैसे खेलते हैं? How we play this hopscotch game? See, first we have to make three four rectangles. Like this we have to draw rectangles. Okay, ऐसे rectangles का diagram we have to make. Then what we'll do, we have to write numbers on that rectangles. One, like here the numbers are written 1, 3, 5, 6. Like this we have to write the names on the rectangles. और किसी किसी में रेक्टेंगल में आप ऐसे भी लिख सकते हो, कोई एक्शन करना है हमें, लाइक वी हैव टू जंप और वी हैव टू हॉप. Like that also you can write. Now player, what will the player do? They have, जैसे लंगड़ी खेलते हैं ना, एक टांग ऊपर करके लंगड़ी, play the लंगड़ी game. Like that only we have to play the hopscotch. You have to keep one leg up. With one leg only you have to जंप। ओके, अभी देखो यहाँ पे 1 नंबर है, 1 नंबर पे आप कैसे खड़े रहो? ओके, whenever you jump, whenever you go to the other box, you have to go with the one leg above, एक लेग ऊपर करके। अभी देखो जहाँ पे एक बॉक्स है ना, where there is one box, here there is one box, so you have to be there with one up. Okay, so like this we have to play hopscotch. You have to jump in one, एक एक बॉक्स पे जंप करना है। अभी एक फर्स्ट बॉक्स पे हो, फिर one leg you will keep in this 3 box and one leg you will keep in jump box. जंप में क्या करना है आपको? Wherever there is action like this, jump, hop, like this is written, there you have to jump, out there you have to write, there you have to hop. ओके, ऐसे एक एक बॉक्स पे आपको you have to pass one box by jumping or hopping like this. If anybody's leg comes between these lines, ये जो लाइंस है ना बॉक्स के बीच में जो लाइंस है, अगर किसी का पैर यहाँ पे आ गया, then that player is out. Okay, then that player is out. If somebody's legs come in between these legs, in this lines, अगर किसी का पैर यहाँ पे आ गया, यहाँ पे आ गया, then that player is out. Your legs should be in the box only. आपके पैर बॉक्स में ही होने चाहिए, लाइन पे टच नहीं करना चाहिए, आपके पैर बॉक्स के अंदर ही होने चाहिए। Okay, so like this you have to play the game hopscotch. You have to make boxes, different boxes, then you have to write numbers on them or actions, whatever actions you have to do, you have to do that. Then जो बॉक्स में जो लिखा रहेगा, you have first you have to throw the stone. एक पत्थर भी फेंकते हैं शायद से, जो पत्थर जो वो पत्थर जो बॉक्स में गया ना, सपोज I am standing here and I throw the stone and stone falls here on the number 5. Then I have to go till number 5. वो नंबर 5 तक मुझे पहुंचना है without putting my leg on these lines. Without putting my legs on these lines. My legs should be inside the box only, or else I will get out. Okay, like this you have to play the hopscotch game. Okay, you have to pass one box with the वन लेग अप। जैसे लंगड़ी खेलते हैं ना, वैसे लंगड़ी कर करके एक एक बॉक्स को पास करना है। ठीक है, सो दिस इज हाउ वी प्ले हॉपस्कॉच गेम। Now there are some other more games which we play today also, and which were played by our grandparents and parents also, like board games. What are the board games? Which are the board games? Can you tell me which are the which can be the board games? Wait a second. Yes, 1 to 10 roll numbers. Swara, unmute karo.
Yes, teacher.
Yes, Swara. Can you tell me some names of the games which are board games, which are known as board games? बोर्ड गेम्स हम किसको बोलते हैं? कौन से गेम्स को बोर्ड गेम्स बोलते हैं? Okay, in home, which games you play at home?
Subsidy and
सांप सीढ़ी को क्या बोलते हैं इंग्लिश में? स्नेक एंड लैडर, राइट?
yes.
Yes, snake and ladder, then snake and ladder, ludo, chess.
Yes.
All these are board games. What are board games? Chess, games like chess, ludo, snake and ladder, all these are known as board games. ठीक है, इन सबको क्या बोलते हैं? बोर्ड गेम्स। विच आर द बोर्ड गेम्स? स्वरा?
snake and ladder, chess and ludo.
Chess, Ludo, Snake and Ladder, all these are board games. ये हम लोग can play this game at home only, in sitting at home only. Okay, and for playing this game we need 2 or 4 players. Now blindfold. What is blindfold? Blindfold क्या किसको बोलते हैं? Blindfold, how we play blindfold? See, one player is tied we tie a cloth on the eyes of one player. एक player के आंखों में पट्टी बांधी जाती है, ठीक है? अभी वो then what other players will do? Other players will hide. Other players will try to touch the players. Okay, try to touch the player who's in which वो प्लेयर को टच करना ट्राई करेगी जिसकी आंखों में पट्टी बांधा है, ठीक है? अभी दूसरे प्लेयर जब भी टच करेंगे, दैट प्लेयर हैज टू डू ट्राई टू टच वन प्लेयर. एक प्लेयर को किसी को ऐसे 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 करके एक प्लेयर को पकड़ना है. द प्लेयर विच द प्लेयर गेट कॉट, जो प्लेयर को वो कॉट पकड़ेगी, दैट प्लेयर इज आउट. Okay, this is how we play blindfold. How we play blindfold? किसी एक टीम एक प्लेयर के आंखों में पट्टी बांधी जाती है. वन प्लेयर वी tie a cloth on one player's eyes. Okay, then what the other players will do? Other players will try to catch the player. Okay, and जो प्लेयर की आंखों में पट्टी बांधी है, he will try to get one player. He will try to touch one player. पकड़ने की कोशिश करेगा एक प्लेयर को, ठीक है? अगर उसने एक प्लेयर को पकड़ लिया, then that player is out. This is how we play blindfold. Hide and seek. Hide and seek कैसे खेलते हैं? कोई भी एक प्लेयर ऐसे पेड़ पे उल्टा he will turn around on in a tree or a wall. He will turn around, he will close his eyes, and he will start counting from 1 to 10. Numbers you can decide till which number we have to count, till which player which number we have to tell the player to count. That number you can decide. और 1 to 10 तक काउंट करना है कि 1 to 20 तक काउंट करना है, that you can decide. Okay, one player will count like this. He will close his eyes. He will start counting till 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now, when the player is counting, जब भी player का counting हो रहा है, what other players will do? Other players क्या करेंगे? They will hide. जो जो जगह जहां जहां मिलेगा, they will start hiding themselves. Okay, when for जब भी जो प्लेयर काउंटिंग कर रहा है, जब भी उसका काउंटिंग खत्म हो जाता है, लाइक 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 हो गया, काउंटिंग खत्म हो गया. Now what that player will do? That player will start searching each player, where that players are hiding. कोई चेयर के नीचे छुपा है, कोई वॉल की बिल्डिंग के पीछे छुपा है, कोई कार के नीचे छुपा है. ओके, सो दैट विल स्टार्ट searching for each player where that player is hiding. अभी जो प्लेयर को उसने पकड़ लिया, ठीक है, ये आर्य स्वरा is hiding inside the car, और Swara is hiding inside the car, और Disha is hiding behind the building. So मैंने पकड़ लिया, दिशा बिल्डिंग के पीछे छुपी है, स्वरा कार के नीचे छुपी है. So that Disha and Swara are out. Okay, जैसे उसने पकड़ लिया कौन कहाँ छुपा है, that player is out. So this is how we play hide and seek. Everybody must have played hide and seek, right? Okay. Now, what are the other games? एक मिनट. What are the other games which are played now also by all of you? अभी भी आप ये सब games खेलते हो, like cricket, right? Cricket, football, all these games are played by you, right? Wait a second. Okay. Play games like cricket, football, video games. All of you must have played video games, right? Video games, chess, all these are games played by today also, played by the children of today's generation also, and they were played by our olden generation. Video games old generation नहीं play करती थी, today's generation play video games, mobile games, and all these things. These are the other games which are played by today's generation. Now games are divided into two parts. How many parts games are divided into? Two parts: indoor and outdoor game. Okay, indoor and outdoor game. In indoor games, what are the games which are known as indoor games? What are indoor games? Indoor games are the games which we can play inside the house. जो गेम्स हम लोग घर के अंदर, बिल्डिंग के अंदर वी कैन प्ले, दैट गेम्स आर नोन एज इंडोर गेम्स, like snake and ladder, carom, chess, ludo. All these games are indoor games. Now outdoor games. What are outdoor games? Outdoor games are the games which are played outside the house. जो गेम्स हम लोग आउटसाइड द घर के बाहर खेलते हैं, जो गेम्स को हमें वी नीड अ बिग ग्राउंड टू प्ले, द गेम्स विच वी नीड फॉर विच टू प्ले, फॉर विच वी नीड अ बिग प्लेग्राउंड, बिग स्टेडियम, दैट गेम्स आर नोन एज आउटडोर गेम्स. अभी क्रिकेट आप घर पे खेलोगे नहीं ना, यू कांट